Hey guys, Derrek here with the Closet Doctor and a couple of great improvements that we've got in February. So this year we put a heater in the shop to keep things nice and warm. The problem is when you come over here and you open the garage door or the roll-up door, the heat likes to go out. And if you've got deliveries and things like that with the forklift and you take it out, you got to get off the forklift, stop and close the door. And then you have to, when you come back, you got to walk around because you closed the door. So our solution was a real quick solution. I had a garage door opener for this in my truck that I never actually used. We Velcroed it right onto the console of the forklift so we can open and close the garage door without having to get off the forklift. Over here in the chop saw area, Daniel made a really great improvement. Let's take a look at that.
All right, so over here at the metal cutting station, we always have this trash can that floats around along with the scrap aluminum bin that floats around. So what I did was I cut the top off this trash can. We put a board down there so it gave it some platform. And now we've got the trash can right there in line with the end of the machine, so it's just cut right into the trash. Any kind of scrap right into that bin, right in line, and no longer floating around.
Here at our countertop saw, we have got these spacers that sometimes you need them on there and sometimes you don't. The previous owner improved this by taking the threaded bolt out and just putting a screw in there that holds it in place so you can easily remove them. The problem is we didn't have a place to put them on. We'd come out, they'd get set here, fall on the ground. So what we did is I said, hey, we need a bin. Now, we got a lot of moving parts and cords and stuff, and I didn't want to have a bin that was in a permanent location. So what we did is we got a large magnet from Harbor Freight, bolted that on the back of the bin, and now it sits right there on the saw. You can pull your stuff out, put it in it, and if we need to move it or take it off for any reason, it's on there with us. It's our sorting area and lift table at the end of our edge bander. And one of our improvements made a while back is we built this jig for holding the verticals in it while we put these rail brackets on it. And one of the things we had is we wanted the drills nice and close, and so we had them hanging right here. The issue that created is when you walked into this area to put stuff here, you had these drills kicking out and in your way, and so we had to lean over to get to this rack. Daniel's improvement here is we took those, and the other thing is we had this on the back side of this, and so you were constantly bending and reaching to get to it. Daniel repositioned the bin so it's up high, it's on the lift table, and then he also repositioned the guns so that they're out of the way. So now when you walk in, your knees are a lot clearer.